The Form Templates page in the portal allows you to manage your company's forms. To access your forms, select the Admin tab from the portal navigation bar, then select Form Templates from the drop-down menu. New or updated form templates can be published here by clicking the Upload Form button. More information on this action can be found in the Publishing a Form video. You can click on any of the hyperlinked column names to change the order of the forms. You can also apply filters with the Show Hide Filters button to view forms by folder, form name, last modified date, or who uploaded the form. Once you've entered the desired filtering options, click Apply Filters. You can download a Microsoft Excel or CSV spreadsheet of the current form template list, including form details, by clicking on the Excel or CSV buttons at the bottom of the table. You can also change the number of forms displayed at one time by clicking the Number of Items to Display drop-down list at the top right of the table. Clicking the arrow for the Select an Action drop-down provides the user with a list of actions to take for the selected form. Selecting the Change Folder option allows you to move a form from one folder to another. Moving a form to a new folder will reset the current version of the form as version 1, deleting past versions of the form. If you wish to keep past versions of the form, download them with the View Past Versions option before moving the form to a new folder. To move a form to a new folder, select Change Folder, then select the new folder from the drop-down and click Submit. When moving a form template to a new folder, you may be asked if you would like to update the folder association for the shared form link associated with that form template, if a shared form for that template exists. Clicking Yes will move both the form template and the shared form links to the new folder. Clicking No will only move the form template to the new folder. The Download option allows you to download an eForm file copy of the form to your PC that can be opened with our Forms Designer software. This feature is helpful if you are using Forms Designer on multiple PCs or if you need to update an existing form. If you plan on making changes to an existing form, we strongly recommend that you download and use the most recent version of the form from the Field to Base portal, as opposed to editing an eForm file of the form stored on your PC. This ensures that you are working with the form currently being used and keeping the version consistent across your company. The Edit Recipients option allows you to set up mandatory recipients for a particular form. Mandatory recipients will receive an emailed copy of every submission of this form. Edit Email Template will take you to the Email Template page for this form. Here you can customize the email template that gets sent to recipients each time the form is submitted. The Edit Retention Period option allows you to customize how long you would like to keep sent form data for a specific form. Editing the retention period here will only affect sent form data for this particular form, and will not affect your company-wide retention period. You may need to speak with your account manager to set up extended retention periods. The Share Form option lets you set up a shared form link. These links can be shared outside of your company to be filled out in a browser by people who are not set up as users in your Field to Base portal. Contact your account manager for fees associated with shared forms. The Traffic option will show you every device that has downloaded the most recent version of the form. This feature is useful for ensuring that all of your users are using the most current version of the form. Clicking on View Region Filters will take you to the region filters associated with this form. Region filters allow you to search in the portal for values contained in the form. You are allowed up to 3 region filters per form. The View Past Versions option, which we mentioned earlier, allows you to download previous versions of a form without having to revert to a previous version. You can also delete forms from the Form Templates page. Deleting a form from your portal will also delete the form on your user's devices. The next time a user's device syncs, the form will be removed from the Blank Forms section of the Mobile Forms application. To delete a form, click on the checkbox next to the form or forms you wish to delete, then click the Delete button. Deleted forms cannot be recovered from Field2Base, so make absolutely sure that you no longer need the form. If you would like to revert a form back to a previous state for all users, click the checkbox for the selected form, and then click the Revert button. This will revert the form back one version. For more information on the Field2Base portal, see the Using the Portal section of our Help Center at help.field2base.com.